going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkey Lake TV, we are making Damascus steel. Yes, Damascus steel. And then hopefully we get to turn that Damascus into something beautiful. So let's get to it. Alright, so now I'm just going to tap the steel lightly, getting it all set into place. It's currently over 1600 degrees. And then after it's all tapped down in place, I'm going to go in the forge, get it hot again, and then really start hammering down on the steel. And then hopefully get it into a shape I like, so let's get to it. Alright, now that our Damascus billet is all ground out, it's time to throw it in the forge, get it to one thickness, and then cut it out into shape. So let's do it. So I ground out the knife and I dipped it in some acid, so this is what it kind of looks like. Now all we have to do is drill our holes, sharpen our blade, and then put handles on, and then we'll have a completed knife. So let's get to it. So while trying to drill our handle, our drill bit snapped. So it looks like we're going to be attempting to do something different with the handle. So just see what happens, I guess. Let's get back to the blade. So now I'm going to submerge the blade in a ferric chloride acid for a couple hours, leaving it overnight. And doing this will let the patterns show, and it'll turn out like this. So since my drill bit broke, I decided to just use a 550 cord material to make my handle. And boom! It's done! Our beautiful Damascus knife. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Make sure you hit the bell to stay tuned for my future videos. I'm Brandon Peace to Circulate TV. We're out of here. Peace.